But crocodiles in Africa, the Nile crocodiles that we're talking about, my friend Jim Shockey, he's a professional hunter. They sent him to Africa to kill these crocodiles because they were killing so many villagers.
Damn.
I mean, those things are
they show
giant.
those things that are walking across golf courses and stuff.
No,
like,
these are way scarier because crocodiles will eat you. Alligators will leave you the fuck alone for the most part. They could eat you. They might eat you if you're swimming.
Right.
But crocodiles will go after you. Like, they eat people. They get 20 feet long and they eat fucking zebras.
Whoa.